Okay, so Nalini has received a total of 600 WhatsApp messages from 4 friends, Anita, Bina, Chaitra and Divya. Okay, so total number of messages 600. Bina and Divya have respectively sent 30% and 20% of these messages. So Bina sent 30% of 600, which is 180, and Divya sent 20% of these messages, which is 120. Anita has sent equal number of messages as Chaitra. So let Anita and Chaitra both send a amount of messages, right? Moreover, Nalini finds that of Anita's, Bina's, Chaitra's and Divya's messages, 60%, 40%, 80% and 50% were jokes, right? So let us make a table out of it. Okay, so Anita, okay, okay, Anita. So what is the total number of messages sent? A. And how many are jokes? 60% is jokes. Okay, 3A by 5 is jokes. Bina, how many messages? 180. 40% jokes. How many? Key? 18 into 4 is 48. 72. Chaitra, how many messages? A. And for 80% jokes. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So that is 4A by 5. Okay. And this Divya, 50%. So Divya sent 120. 50% means 60% of her messages are jokes. Right? Now, okay. So now you see Bina and Divya. Okay, so Bina and Divya in total send how many messages? 300 messages, right? So that means and Anita and C send equal number of messages. So I can tell that A plus 300 is equals to 600 total number of messages. And what is A? 300. Okay, so from here I can say that what is this? 3A by 5. That is 3 into 300 by 5. 5 6 are 30, 180. This becomes 180. And what is this going to be? 4 by 5 into 300. So that is going to be 240. Right? If I put 300 in place of A. So what percentage of the jokes received by Nalini has been sent neither by Divya nor by Bina? So Divya, Bina, I will exclude them and I will add the jokes sent by Anita and Chaitra. So that is 180 and 240. So that is 0, 2, right? Divided by how many messages total came? 600 into 100. That is, what did I do? Oh, no. And neither Divya nor Bina.
Total number of jokes এর উপর হবে না?
What percentage of the jokes? Right. Not on the total number of messages. Okay. So what is the total number of jokes received? What is the total number of jokes received? 180 plus 72 plus 240 plus 60. What is the total number of jokes? কি আসছে add করে? So that gives me 552, right? That is 552. Now the question is what percentage of the jokes received by Nalini have been sent neither by Divya nor by Bina? So Divya, Bina is over here, A and C is over here. So 180 and C, that is 420 divided by 552 into 100%. Okay, so this is an easy calculation. I'm just doing it quickly. 76 কেন আসছে? ক্যালকুলেশন ভুল হয়েছে। Oh, wait. There is a calculation mistake over here. This is 2a because b plus d is 180 plus 180 and a plus a. আমি একটা a করেছিলাম ভুল করে। Okay, so a is 150. Okay, so if a is 150, these values change. So this one becomes 5 3 is 15, 90. 90. This one 5 3 is 15, 120. Okay. Okay, so 90 plus 70 plus 120 plus 60. Okay, so that will give me 342. Okay, now what percentage has been either sent by Divya nor by Pina? So that means 90 plus C, that is 210. 342 into 100. Okay, so that is 61.4. Okay, so what we did, total number of jokes sent by Nalini is 600. Bina sent 30% and Divya sent 20%. So Bina 180, Divya 120. Anita and Chaitra sent the same number of jokes, so A and A. Now we are finding out that who sent how many jokes. So Anita sent 60% of her messages were jokes, so 60 A by 100, that is 3 A by 5. Bina 40%, 72. Chaitra 80% of it, so 4 A by 5. And Divya this 50%, so 60. Now we can find out what is the number of jokes sent by A and C. Very simple. A plus 180 plus 120 is equal to 600. On solving, we are getting A is equal to 150. So what is the total number of jokes? Total number of jokes is, so once we get A as 150, we can actually find out this value and this value, which is 90 and 120. So if we add all of them, I'm getting 342. Okay, so what is the percentage of the joke? I mean, what percentage of the jokes received by Nalini are not sent by B and D? So A and C send 90 and 120. So that is 210 divided by 342 into 100, 61.4.